Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Angela Casey, board certified dermatologist, and I am here to give you the rundown on skincare products that are going to help you achieve your most beautiful and healthiest skin. Today we're talking about a really unique moisturizer that has some specific ingredients that really set it apart from a lot of what's on the market. We are going to talk about IDR, or Intensive Daily Repair, which is a great all-purpose skin moisturizer formulated by Dr. Suzan Obagi and marketed under Obagi Medical. So what sets this moisturizer apart from a lot of the others that are on the market? Well, instead of having any alpha hydroxy acids or beta hydroxy acids, this actually has polyhydroxic acids, which are going to be really effective at drawing water into your skin and moisturizing and retaining that hydration. So the polyhydroxy acids that are in the Intensive Daily Repair include lactobionic acid and gluconolactone, two very long names for active ingredients. But basically what these do is help retain hydration and also exfoliate dead, dry, and ineffective skin cells off the surface of your skin, leaving your skin looking brighter and healthier. This product is also equipped with vitamin C and E, which are really effective antioxidants. So that is going to help prepare your skin to face the day and really arm your skin against all the pollution and inflammation and ultraviolet radiation. So all the things that can irritate and inflame your skin over the course of the day. So what I love about this product is the uniqueness of those polyhydroxy acids and the addition of the antioxidants in it to achieve a really effective moisturizer that also is going to be protective for your skin. Don't love so much as the price point's a little bit high, so it's going to run in the $75 range, and that is because this product is, of course, formulated with some additional ingredients to protect your skin, so you may save yourself the step of doing the antioxidant serum as well. However, this product in and of itself is not going to be as potent and richly packed with antioxidants as some of the other products on the market. I think this is a great product to incorporate with the Suzan Obagi MD regimen, and really integrates beautifully with the cleanser, the toner, and also the soothing complex. In and of itself, I find that personally this product is not quite as moisturizing as I like for my skin, which tends to be on the drier side. So I do like a product that has a little bit more robust hydration to it. But for most skin types, this is going to be a really effective, well-tolerated, lightweight moisturizer that's, again, embedded with some of those beautiful active ingredients to keep your skin healthy and radiant. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll be sharing with you more tips and tricks that I've learned from over a decade in dermatology practice and helping you achieve your healthiest and most beautiful skin.